a blue flame. They should be jam-packed. I said, damn facts. So where your mans at? They said, what's that? Smiled at each other and they both laughed. I don't need a man, she my other half. We got something not a lot of others have. And I feel like I know it from the...
Yeah. Whoa. I'm so pretty and he like that. When he beat it up, he deep inside that.
You can get the biggest Chanel back in the store if you want it. I gave him the drill, they set it up, I got him on it. I bought a new Patek, I had the white, so I two-toned them. Taking these drugs, I'm gonna be up until the morning. That ain't your car, you just a list, so you don't own it. If I'm in the club, I got that 5 when I'm performing. The back end just came in and all runners. Vibes galore, cute shit, they all on us. I'm from Atlanta where young niggas run shit. I know they hating on me, but I don't read comments. Whenever I tell her to come, she comes. Whenever it's smoke, we ain't running. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Out this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close. You gon' fuck around and drown. Out this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Every other night another dollar get made. Every other night started with a good day. I feel like a child, I got vocals in the face. I'm dancing in the dollar, this shit is a parade. I don't want your train, I'm gon' want another slave. I had a try not too many bitches getting saved. See that tail running, so I took a private plane. These pussy niggas like it when I'm working on my aim. Drip too hard, charge to the car, to the center, to the ground like a balance by the name. Drip too hard, caution on the floor, you gon' fuck around and drown, try and ride a nigga way. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Out this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made. Drip too hard, don't stand too close, you gon' fuck around and drown. Out this way, doing all these shows. I been on the road, I don't care where I go, long as I get paid. Bad little wife, she been on my mind. Soon as I get back, she get straight. Do this all the time, this ain't no surprise. Every other night another movie get made.
But what is up, YouTube? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kimberly Simone, and today your girl is at school because she got class. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Yeah, like I said, don't really mind the hair, but if you're new to this channel, what's up? My name is Kimberly Simone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit that thumbs up button so I know you love this channel. Make sure you hit that bell button notification so you can see every time that I upload. And make sure you press all the time so you can see every single upload. Okay, girl? Because we already, girl or boy, period, because we don't discriminate. It's Monday. Yeah, it's Monday. And I know that, okay, my hair isn't all the way together. Don't mind that because, honestly, we're not even worried about that right now. Well, I'm currently at school. I'm about to get ready to get on the bus so I can go. Well, my class doesn't start until 3:30. It's like, I don't know what time it is. I think it's like 2:15 right now. So I'm about to like go to Starbucks or something like that and give me something to drink because I need some energy. But I also have some work I need to get done for real. So that's why I try to get up here early so I can get some work done. But I'm not gonna have that much time, so I'm just going to get in my class early, do work in class while I take notes and stuff like that. This week is the week before spring break, and y'all know next week I will be in Miami, period. Don't play with me. I'm gonna definitely have to film a video on my outfits and stuff like that, so y'all already know. Oh, I am waist training right now, period. This waist trainer is from Hourglass Couture. You can follow them on Instagram. I'll put everything in the description. But yeah, so I gotta get snatched, I gotta get right. So yeah, hopefully like for that preparing for Miami video, I can like get my nails done and all that stuff like that. I just know that I have, ooh, my hair, nah, it really don't look, it made this in a ponytail. Hold on, I'll put it in a ponytail. But dang, why didn't I bring a brush? Because it's kind of irritating me, but don't focus on that. Focus on me. Don't look at the caption, look at me. So yeah, I kind of have time to show y'all around my school. I lost my Panther card a couple weeks ago, so I need to go get a new one because I really can't even get into the library without it. I mean, I can, but I have to like be a visitor. I might have to take exams when I need my Panther card, so I'm gonna have to go get that. But yeah, I just pulled up to the scene. But yeah, I'm just about to get some work done. Like I said, I have some work to get done, definitely, because I'm not trying to be doing no work on spring break day, okay? No, I ain't trying to be doing no work on spring break. But I'm gonna be lit. I'm gonna be lit. That's one thing I am going to be, is lit. Oh, don't pay attention to my lashes. They're definitely falling off. As you can see, they're falling off. But yeah, I was gonna do my lashes, but like I said, oh, my window look dirty. Don't look at that. I need a car wash. That's something else I gotta do. Remind me to do that. I need a car wash. But I was gonna do my lashes, but like I said, I'm really just trying to focus on getting all of my work done so I can go have fun and then worry about all this later. You know what I'm saying? It's a lot being a full-time student, full-time entrepreneur. You know what I'm saying? Just a boss Betty. You see the hat? You see the hat? It's a little dirty, so I'm about to wash it. But yeah, so I'm about to go ahead and get ready to get out and go. And let me go ahead and shut my car off. So yeah, if there's anything that I don't remember, I'll just remember to say it later in the video because I'm trying to, I don't know. Because we about to come with that content. We about to be doing what we got to do. See, I was really supposed to catch the bus and I just missed it, but it's okay because it's starting to rain again. I'm not going to get out the car if it's raining, period. So I'm going to just wait for the next bus. Oh, wait, it's another bus. I'm going to get on the bus, y'all. So I'm going to go ahead and go, but I'm going to check back in with y'all after I don't know when I'm gonna check back in with y'all.
The dash is digi, the schedule busy. My head in a hoodie, my shorty a goodie. My cousins are crazy, my cousins like boogie. Life is amazing, it is what it should be. Been here for 10, but I feel like a rookie. I tell her look up, cause it's snowing in Tussies. Booked for 3 years, man, you can't even book me. It's me and Lil Baby, the going crazy. Weezy produced it, and Weezy have made me. And she held it down, so she got a Mercedes. Your Money Records, the Army, the Navy. It ran me 10,000, I threw it like Brady. The foreign is yellow like Tracy and Katie. I trust in my they never betray me. Met all these they sweeter than Sadie. When I started out, I just took what they gave me. Did all the favors, they never repay me. It worked in my...
So I'm on the way to go get my Panther card, y'all. This man was trying to talk to me. It was so funny. Talking about a damn COVID test. I don't want to talk to you, sir. Don't be trying to talk to me. But yeah, so it's dark and the light is not good right here.
I'm getting money like I'm from the 80s. Man, Dre about to drop, man, they gon' go crazy. They know I'm the truth, coming straight from the basement. I'm straight as a street, man, I come from the pavement. A million all hundreds, it make them go crazy. Wham, 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 on the baby. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can come. Leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to have. Brand new whip, got no keys. Tell them my clothes, no starch, please. Soon as I, you can go. Leave. Got M's in the bank, like yes, indeed. Me and my dog going all the way. When you're living like this, they supposed to have.
Today is Wednesday and I'm about to take my midterm at 3:30. It's 2:10. Fix my nose piercing. On Monday it rained, so I was kind of over. I didn't even vlog anymore. But I'm about to study for this test though. I just kind of wanted to wrap up this video. So I'm currently in the building for my class, and like I said, we have a midterm today, so I'm trying to study for that. But when I go home, well, I had a lash appointment today. I'm supposed to have another one after my midterm, but if I don't, then I'm gonna go home and I'm gonna start packing and getting that video together, because I really want to do a video for me packing and preparing for Miami. So I'm definitely gonna do that, or just like getting my outfits together. So we're gonna see. I'm trying to get this video up today, March 9th. We're gonna see. I'm gonna get this video up today, but it was just a lot of productive work going on, so I could get ready to close. Oh, thank you. So I can get ready to close out the work before spring break. But now, my hair looked better than it did on Monday, but I still got a head on, y'all.
My friend, she has a fish lines.
So, yeah, so I'm just going to, I'm kind of saying so. I hope I do really good on this exam, because I've been studying and taking notes and going to class, so fingers crossed. Yeah, so guys, thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit that thumbs up button, and turn on my post bell notifications so you can see every time that I upload. I'm just ready to keep getting content out, but thank y'all guys so much. And if there's video or any content y'all would like to see, please put it down in the comments. Bye, love y'all.
You think you're funny, huh? Yeah, I'm the funniest. So what about you? Her friend replied.